A baddie got from the Sephora sale. I honestly didn't go as crazy as I usually do every year because my haul like a couple weeks prior I balled out when it wasn't the sale because I'm so bright. Got the new Kerastase gloss collection. I don't know where the fuck the conditioner is. I'm about to go to my old apartment complex and like threaten them because where is it? A gloss girl for shampoos is just my favorite. So I have high hopes for the leave-in and shampoo. And the conditioner, if I can fucking find that. If not, I'll order it again. Kerastase 8-Hour Night Serum. This is the blonde version whenever I was blonde. This was 2020 to 2022 Mallory. A completely different person, thank God, on the inside and outside. Regular version, I hear amazing things, and I really love overnight serums. Hair product with this living proof full texture spray. I like the Bumble and Bumble one, but I do remember thinking this was a little bit better, so I'm gonna use some right now. It just gives your hair some like grip. Got the Kosas Cloud Set new setting spray. Used this a couple times today, and the mister is 10 out of 10, which is a big thing for me. It's supposed to be like a soothing, skincare-y mist. I don't know how well it will like make your makeup last. I'm wearing it right now and it's doing like a decent job for only being on for like an hour. Got 3 Huda Beauty blush filters. 1 in Latte, which is what I'm wearing right now. It's like a bronzer shades. When I don't feel like blushing and bronzing, this is like an all-in-one right here. I need to stop. You guys, this is literally the cutest little thing in the fucking world. Hold on. The shades Cotton Candy and Peach Sorbet. Are you kidding me? They look like little baby. Little makeup products that come in those eggs, you know what I'm talking about? They're so adorable. They make it so like where you can rip the package and like give it to your friend. It's so cute. The gloss in the shade She's Flirty. I really love pinky glosses. It has like sparkle in it. I'm obsessed. These glosses are really nice. They're not sticky at all. I got 2 of the Kosas Hot Liners. Last really well. This is the shade Allure. It's like a dark brown. And I got the shade Depth. It's a little bit lighter of a brown for both of my moods. Picked up a new shade of the Natasha Denona concealer. Watched some of my old videos. This was the only concealer I used for a long time and I missed her so much. I'm wearing her today and she's just one of the best of all fucking time. Last thing I got was this Sol de Janeiro Body Glow. I have it in the darker bronzy shade and I wanted it in a lighter shade so I don't like make myself too tan down here. Show y'all what she looks like on. Smells like the original Sol de Janeiro scent, which is amazing. But yeah, I really like this shade. Ooh, come on, glow. That was my haul this year. I feel like I kept it pretty tame for myself, so round of applause for me. Wait, look at these liners. They like don't budge once they're set. 10 out of 10. I regret not getting more, but that's self-control for you.